Nishihama Beach in Japan is one of the great destinations for those who love peace and wild natural beauty. With fine white sand and clear blue sea, Nishihama gives visitors the feeling of entering another world, where time seems to pass slowly and all life's worries seem to disappear. The location of Nishihama Beach is about 424 kilometers south of Naha city center, the capital of Okinawa. To get to Nishihama, visitors often have to travel by sea or plane from Naha to Ishigaki Airport, then take a train or ferry from Ishigaki to Hateruma. This region has a diverse climate system, from tropical to cold and subtropical climates. This creates conditions for the development of diverse terrain types, flora and fauna, and ecosystems. However, the climate environment is facing major challenges from global climate change. Nishihama's coral reef is known for its rich diversity of corals, fish, and other marine life. These coral reefs create a rich ecosystem, attracting all kinds of creatures from the smallest species such as corals and seaweed to large fish and earthworms. When people see hot bikini girls on the beach, they often think of the freshness, confidence and joy of youth. They create a vibrant and inviting space, making the beach more lively and attractive. Nishihama Beach is not only a popular tourist destination, but also plays an important role in supporting the local economy and maintaining the marine ecosystem. However, the development of tourism can also bring negative impacts on the water environment and animal nature. Click the subscribe button to not miss other interesting and useful videos from our wandering channel. Don't forget to press the like button if you find this video worth watching. We'd love to hear from you, so leave your comments below in the comments section. Sincerely thank you for your support and companionship with our wandering channel. Remember to turn on notifications so you don't miss any new updates. Thank you very much everyone, and see you in the next videos.